Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm doing your bonus love read. This reading is going to be for the sign of Gemini. So if there is a specific someone that you really love and you really want them to come back but you don't know will they come back or then this reading is definitely going to help you find the answer to that. I will be adding oracle cards in this reading, but no charms will be added. So stay tuned. And now, while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal reads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So let's find out, will they come back to you, yes or no? Whoever it is that you really wish would return to you, let's find out, will they or not? Let's begin. Two of Swords, the Hierophant, Knight of Wands. I feel like this person, whoever it is that you are asking about, this person is conflicted about the decision of coming back to you or not. There is something else they are doing or they are busy with. So at times they really wish to come back to you, but then there are times when they feel like maybe I should not. There is this synergy that they have for you towards the connection that they have with you, which sometimes make them feel like coming back to you, but then they feel like maybe that's not a good idea. So it's more like your person is somebody who's not sure about the connection that they have with you or they had with you. It's more of that energy where your person is there are certain things in this connection. There could be religious differences, there could be age differences, there could be some other issues as well, which are very much like societal, is what I'm picking up. It's more of maybe the against the norms of the society or something, which definitely makes them kind of worried at times. When they think of coming back to you, they do feel that they have to deal with these legalities as well. So that could be one of the block in the connection as well. But this person is not mature enough to deal with a situation like this the right way. So maybe they are not going to come back to you anytime soon. um Nine of Cups, they do see you as their wish fulfillment at times as well. So it's more like the person might come back, not anytime soon, until unless maybe they mature up to deal with the situation the right way. Maybe they will, but not anytime soon. I feel like they have to decide for themselves. They have to act mature, which right now they are not. But as they do, as they understand, as they work towards it, towards understanding the connection that they feel for you, they will. I feel like they will. They definitely will, but it might take them time. It might take them understanding of the situation, understanding of how they can make through this situation that evolves your connection right now. So seems like they will, but maybe they will take time. It can take them long, I feel, because um hold on. For some of you, they might be under pressure of the family as well as when it comes to their love life decisions. They could have another person in their life as well, and they are unable to choose either you or them. Now in that situation too, I feel like there is again the same thing coming up, which could be legal matters involving the situation, involving the love life, which kind of makes them question, am I ready, am I prepared to deal with it or not? Am I ready to take the approval from my family, from their family or not? There could be some block that way there in the connection. And right now this person is not ready to understand the situation, to deal with the situation the right way. Maybe they are dependent on the family a lot for decisions like this, so that could be one of the reasons as well. But I feel like you will have to wait. Underneath the deck we do have the Knight of Pentacles. Situation might evolve very slowly in this connection, but there is a strong chance that yes, it will. They will come back to you, but after a long period of waiting, which is your choice whether you want to wait for them or not. But seems like things will work out. Let's take more cards. Instinct. If you follow your gut, if you follow your instinct, somehow deep down you feel this, that yes, the person is going to come back to you. Now, why do you feel so? It could be because you feel the connection that you shared with this person is too strong. For some of you, you might be manifesting them back as well. So, seems like yes, they will come back, but somehow not anytime soon. You have to stay strong around this person because you might be hearing a lot of gossips about them as well. So, just stay strong if you really want this person back in your life. Maybe you can have it, but you will have to wait. So while you wait, you have to stay very positive. Otherwise, the situation will get even more delayed. The energy is gaining momentum. I feel like maybe their need to be with you could be getting more with every passing day, with every passing second. But again, what you focus on might get might gain momentum. So make sure you are thinking positive, you are thinking about the things that you want, especially if you are manifesting it. If you are manifesting them back, maybe you will get them back, but you have to stay very positive around it. It's a time for healing. Confidence is your key to success. Now, two things. One, like I said earlier, maybe you are manifesting them back and you believe that the love that you showed them is something which is going to bring them back to you. One thing, you are confident in that. Now, healing. While you wait, while you let this person understand the situation the better way and come back to you, you have to stay positive. If you are not positive, if you are not confident, things might get delayed, and that will maybe in that period of waiting, you are gonna hear a lot of gossips around this person, which again is gonna kind of make you lose your hope of them coming back to you. So it's gonna be different for different people. So if you really want this person to come back to you, make sure you are confident in yourself. While you wait, heal yourself. Don't let people influence the connection or your decisions around them as well. Transformation. Your relationship with one another is about to deepen. Love conquers and transforms everything. Now, for some of you, like I said, maybe this person is immature, or the way they deal with them, this connection is immature, or the situation is immature. As they grow up, as they understand, as they get awakened, as you manifest, maybe they will start understanding the connection the better way. So they will be able to make the right efforts in this connection, or make the right moves in this connection. So yeah, for some of you, let your friends help you and guide you. Ask for and accept support from others. Maybe for some of you, they need this support or help from other people. Again, it can be their family as well. Maybe that's influencing them and the connection, their decision about the connection as well. So it will be different for different people. I feel like this person will get back to you, but it might take them time. It might take them time, and it does. Your waiting period for that person also has a strong hold over the situation, how it evolves around this connection. So make sure you are positive, make sure you're confident that yes, they will come back to you if you really want them to be back to you quick. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Come good for you for all this read. If the reading resonates with you, to like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal read, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye.